In today's video, we'll discuss why your Chromecast blinks a solid orange light and how to fix it. A solid orange light on your Chromecast indicates a device malfunction, meaning it won't return to normal operations unless the underlying issue is addressed. While there isn't a specific cause for these malfunctions, power cycles and factory resets are known to resolve the issue. To power cycle your Chromecast, unplug its power supply cable from the power source. Wait for at least a minute, and then plug it back in. If power cycling doesn't solve the problem, try performing a factory reset on the device. With the Chromecast still plugged into the TV, press and hold the side button on the device. The solid orange LED will start blinking and then turn white. Release the button once the LED turns white, allowing the reboot sequence to complete. Alternatively, you can factory reset the Chromecast via the Google Home app by navigating to the settings and selecting the reset option. And there you have it. Fixing a solid orange blinking Chromecast is that easy. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.